Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we test the products that claim to make your life easier and tell you whether they actually do. Today, we're unpacking something simple but surprisingly essential in modern kitchens: the 10-inch disposable air fryer liners. A pack of 150 square parchment paper liners made from unbleached wood pulp, designed to keep your air fryer clean, your food crisp, and your sanity intact. On paper, they sound straightforward, but the real question is, do they live up to the promise of convenience, safety, and value? Let's find out. At first glance, these liners are made from 100% natural unbleached wood pulp. No chlorine, no artificial coatings, just biodegradable, food-safe material that's better for both your kitchen and the planet. They're designed to handle heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for air fryers, ovens, and even microwaves. Each sheet is pre-cut in a 10-inch bowl shape, perfectly fitting baskets around 9 inches in diameter, which covers most 8 to 12-quart air fryers like those from Ninja, COSORI, and Instant Vortex. The goal here is simple: keep your food from sticking, stop grease from seeping through, and make cleaning up as effortless as tossing the liner away. Now, let's talk about how they actually perform. I tested these liners in several scenarios: frying wings, reheating leftover pizza, roasting vegetables, and even baking cookies in an air fryer oven. The first thing I noticed was how well they handled heat. No curling, no burning, and definitely no smoke. They maintain their structure even under high temperatures, provided you follow the golden rule: never preheat your air fryer empty with just the liner inside. That's important because these papers are designed to work when covered by food. It keeps the liner from flying around and potentially touching the heating element. When used correctly, air circulation remains steady, giving evenly cooked, crispy food without sticking. Cleanup afterward was practically non-existent. I lifted out the liner, and the basket underneath looked spotless. What's great is how user-friendly they are. You don't have to trim, fold, or fight with sizing. Just drop one in, load your food, and you're good to go. It's also oil-proof and waterproof, which means less grease residue and no soggy paper at the end. For anyone who uses their air fryer daily, these liners are a quiet game changer. They cut cleanup time dramatically, especially handy for busy households or anyone who hates scrubbing dried oil. All right, before we continue, if you're enjoying this review and want more honest, hands-on product breakdowns, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviews Inside TV, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Now, let's get into the real-world trade-offs. On the plus side, these liners are thick enough to handle messy foods, think marinated chicken or bacon, without tearing or leaking. They're eco-friendly, so you're not loading up your bin with plastic or chemically treated paper. The preformed bowl shape keeps everything neat, and the non-stick coating genuinely works. However, the downside is that if your air fryer basket is smaller than 9 inches, these liners might not fit snugly, and if it's much larger, they won't cover enough surface area. Also, while 150 pieces sound generous, frequent air fryer users might go through them faster than expected. Another point to note: these liners are disposable, so while they're biodegradable, they still generate some waste over time. That's something eco-conscious users may consider if they prefer reusable silicone mats. When it comes to value for money, this 150 pack usually costs less than buying 2 reusable silicone liners, and it offers greater convenience for those who prefer quick toss-and-go cleanup. Compared to other brands like Catbite or Hiware, these hold their shape slightly better at high heat and don't have that waxy residue some cheaper options leave behind. On the other hand, silicone liners win for long-term savings, since they can be reused hundreds of times. So if you're someone who cooks daily and doesn't mind washing, silicone might be more cost-efficient in the long run. But for users prioritizing convenience and hygiene, this disposable option fits perfectly into that balance of practicality and cleanliness. The build quality, if you can call it that for parchment paper, is impressive. The material feels sturdy, thicker than standard baking parchment, with even texture and no weak points that tear easily when lifting food. Long-term reliability, in this case, translates to consistency, and that's something this product gets right. Each liner performs just as well as the last, and there's no quality drop-off through the pack. Based on the brand's reputation and user feedback, these liners are consistent in thickness and size, which isn't always guaranteed with bulk packs. As for brand reliability, customer impressions of this manufacturer are quite positive, particularly for packaging quality and accurate sizing. Most users report receiving the exact count with no defective or damaged liners. There's not much need for customer support with a disposable product like this, but it's worth noting that replacement or refund policies from major sellers tend to be straightforward and reliable. Wrapping things up, these 10-inch disposable air fryer liners deliver exactly what they promise: a cleaner, safer, and faster cooking experience. They're a smart pick for anyone who values simplicity in the kitchen, doesn't want to spend time scrubbing their air fryer basket, and prefers natural, unbleached materials. They may not be the most cost-efficient solution for heavy daily use, and they're not a perfect fit for every basket size. But for most households, they strike an excellent balance between practicality and performance. If you're looking for a way to protect your air fryer and cut cleanup time in half, these liners are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Reviews Inside TV. You can find the link to get these liners in the comments box below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you use liners? Or go bare basket? Drop your experience in the comments. Until next time, keep your kitchen clean and your food crisp, only on Reviews Inside TV.